Hi, it's me here again, and we're in the middle of the street, and my friend is breaking his skateboard. My skateboard's over here. Alright, skateboard. On the speed bit. What are you doing?
Yeah, good one. Not in there.
That's my one. This is Elliot's.
You're not making. Want another race, mate?
This is my one.
Ow!
Elliot.
Ow!
Elliot's dead. Elliot. I zoomed it in on your face. This is my one.
Ow!
Wow, that worked.
Wow, that worked, didn't it?
Boom!
Yeah!
Aerial kickflip. I'm not sure if you saw that or not.
I did. Please! Oh!
I won't smash that up with police around. No.
MC Barry! MC Barry!
It's the police.
Rest the man!
Right, he's breaking it. 10 minute move. Move out his way. Right, go, 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 go. Oh, yes! His trunk came off. His trunk came off. Oh my god. Oh, let's see it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can just shove it so that the truck's on.
I bet you can.
I can, I did it on my mini board. I tried recording it and it failed. But his truck came off. Can I break the other truck?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Or it'll just be like a manual skateboard. Go on.
No, I can't do that one.
I can do it for you.
I can do it for you. Let's see it.
I ain't finished it yet.
Promise I'm riding my skateboard on top of yours. Right.
I ain't bothered about the grip tape because I'm getting some new grip tape. And I'll be doing a video about that as well. Yeah.
Hell!
God.
Right, move on.
I'd break the other truck. No.
Right.
My deck is way bigger than yours. My deck's way bigger than yours.
No! I bet you took it here.
My truck? No way. God.
Let's see it, Harriet.
I haven't finished it yet. God, I'm
I'm
falling.
getting banged up the ass! Die! No!
Yeah. Show you my other scooter bar. I've painted it. Yeah.
Where? On handlebars.
Wrong way round.
Right.
That's my painted handlebars. They're white instead of blue. I used to have them blue. My normal scooter's black. I had to take the grips off as
I
well.
can do bride foot with no deck.
Yeah, bride flip, go on.
Yeah!
Wait, again.
Yeah, bride foot!
Broom! Bride flip.
You want me to come in? Yeah!
This is our video.
No.